So this is what we're doing today, pretty much self-explanatory. Rainbow, Pride Month, makeup, sky, clouds, all of this. So if you guys don't know me, welcome. I'm Elaina. I usually do creative makeup looks like this. Face paint, drag, makeup reviews, all kind of stuff. You can check it out later. You can follow me on Instagram and all the links are in the description box. So let's get right into this video, a quick tutorial.
So I used Indie Cosmetics. This is the foundation, colored foundation pretty much. They act like foundations, so it's easy to set and it's easy to blend. And I painted the sunrise on my face pretty much. And the sun, I wanted to put it in my mouth. I went by the pictures of sunrise. I wanted like a sunrise after the rain and the rainbow comes out. I used a lot of Kimchi Chic Beauty palette for this. To set pretty much all the colors and make them brighter. And I also used the creative makeup palette. This is a neon palette to paint the rainbow right over and make it real bright and neon. And I set it with Surge from Blend Binding because it has all the beautiful neons. I wanted the rainbow real to pop, and I painted the clouds over it because the rainbow kind of peeking through the clouds. I kind of went crazy with clouds, lots of clouds. I actually went by the Google photo, like a photo of the sky and a rainbow, so it has a lot of clouds, so I kind of went with this. The sun is in the center and the sun rays, and I'm using Kimchi Chic mascara as well. I don't remember which eyeliner I used, to be honest.
So we're back with the finished look. So there you go. The colors doing something weird. I noticed when I paint myself with the face paint, the background looks pink. I'm looking at the camera, so excuse me. I might have to work at it post-production and just change it because right now it looks crazy on the screen. But anyway, so I used a lot of Kimchi Chic Beauty, the Holy Shards Effin' Bright and Holy Shards Holy Fairy Tale, the pastel ones, and to set like, a lot of the face paint. I set it with a translucent first. I don't know if I showed it, but then I went over with Kimchi Chic Beauty, this palette. And of course the brights, the creams are in the Big Cosmetics, the base, and face base. And the powders, the kimchi, and then I used also one of my favorites, the Blend by the Cosmetics. They have neons here. These are great for the rainbow. I wanted the rainbow to really look really neon. And that's pretty much it. A lot of face paint. My hands are still dirty. Just the water activated paint to paint the clouds and to paint the sun rays. This is my vision. I wanted it look like this. I pretty much googled the picture of the sunrise, a rainbow, clouds, stuff like that, and pretty much painted off the nature with a little bit, of course, modifications to make it look cooler. There you go. The kimchi eyelashes, it's a whitish eyelashes, and it was also Kimchi Chic mascara. And yeah, a lot of Kimchi Chic Beauty as usual. I love it. I'm a Kimchi Chic Beauty hoe. So there you go. Use my code if you like it. Elaina Glam 15 for 15% off with Kimchi Chic Beauty. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. So I've been really busy lately, and as usual, I haven't filmed because of the jobs, my fitness and my cats and everything. So I haven't filmed a lot, but I wanted to do at least one rainbow look and more creative rainbow look instead of just eye makeup, So this is my creative makeup rainbow look for the Pride Month. So happy Pride Month, everybody. So this is the end of the video. Do subscribe to my channel, notification bell, and you can follow me on social media. All the links are in the description box. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.